Fiumicino Airport in Rome, and we're ready to start our new journey. It's going to be still a very long one because we're going to fly from here to Amman and from Amman to Bangkok, and we're going to fly with Air Jordanian. It's the first time actually I'm going to fly Air Jordanian, so I will give you an honest review. Of course, we fly in economy class. Okay, we did it. Now we're going through security. Where I'm going? To Bangkok after 11 years. 11 years. So Adam fixing the airplane. About to take off, hopefully soon. So far, everything looks great. And we are very excited. After 11 years, we are flying to Bangkok. The last time we been in Thailand was 11 years ago.
Crazy.
We used to live in China, and we traveled a lot to Thailand, and it took us 11 years to go back, and we are so excited. So the TV is not working yet. Hopefully it will start working soon. So I'm not sure what's going on, and I know there is another problem here with the trays, they falling down. Okay, so I will start actually from a very bad review. So their TVs are not functioning. Some of the TVs just show that they have announcement, but some of the TVs even not turn on. Half of the flight, it's almost hilarious how funny it is. Every time you move, the tray behind you pop open. So all you hear every 2 seconds is plop, 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 plop. That all these trays is just open. Gentleman behind me, I feel so bad because every time I just move a little bit, his tray is popping open. So far I have to say the flight is flying, so thanks God. But other things, it's a very old airplane, but so far I'm not very impressed. I flew in a better airplanes, I have to say. Let's see if we get food or drinks and if it will get better as we go or it will get worse. So Mila is going to review what did she get there. Let's see, Miss Mila.
Water.
Just a bun.
Bread.
Oh, this is also cheese and a piece of cake. Okay. Is it hard to open it? Okay, here. It's lots of boxes and paper. Okay. Okay, Miss Mila is opening her sandwich. Whoa! Oh, it's a calzone.
Hot.
Hot. So we'll
wait until
give it a try and see how it tastes.
hot.
So Leo is going to try the calzone. It's chicken sandwich.
I think Leo would like it.
Do you like it, Leo? Mila, how's the calzone? It's good? Okay, good.
How do you open this?
So it's rice with Parmesan cheese and a very strong pesto. So if you love pesto, you probably will like it. If you are not a pesto person, do not try it. So I actually really like it. It's mushrooms and chicken, it's calzone. I have to say that we really like the dinner. The dinner is very successful. You can literally eat everything here. I usually very picky because I don't eat onions and I don't eat so many things, but this is decent, and yeah, we can really enjoy this dinner. Mila's sandwich was different. It had beef inside it. There is like a Middle Eastern taste of spice to it. I have to say it's pretty good. I did like the chicken more with the mushrooms, but it's not too bad. We'll give 10 out of 10 to this meal. Very high score, I know, because I was very surprised with how tasty was everything we tried. You can eat a meal like this and be good probably for the next few hours, especially that this flight is just 3-hour flight. The food made me happy, so I don't care about the trays that's falling down or that the TV is not working. Full belly, amazing mind. Welcome to Jordan. Few more hours in the airport and we are going to get to our amazing flight. We are very excited. Lee, are you okay? So we are going to the international transfer. Okay, so one small update about the airport. It's really cute, it's very small. There is not much places to eat here, but you have Dunkin' Donuts, McDonald's of course, Subway, and shawarma. It's very, very expensive, so like a Subway with drink was like 13 bucks. Gummy bears, $6.50. I probably buy gummy bears for $1.10, I don't know, $1.15. Maybe in a gas station for $2. Anyways, so just it's a very small airport, it's a very cute airport. Everything is open, that it's awesome 24/7, but it's very, very expensive.
See where it says this, that?
My goodness, this is so long. We still have 2 hours and I'm barely holding myself and I'm supposed to take care of 2 kids. Really? 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 The flight is super full and I'm so tired, so I'm not sure how long time I will be able to vlog here. And I'm not sure if I will wait to get the food, but let's see what's going to happen here. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. We still have 1 hour to go. I was sleeping on the floor, I didn't record anything. Not the food, not the dinner, nothing. Like you can see me and Adam got maybe an hour or 2 hours of sleep because we were switching. We lost the chair. But yeah. Going to review our breakfast. I didn't do our dinner, lunch, slash whatever it was because we were all exhausted. So we got a little croissant, like you can see, little bun. Here you have butter, jelly, and this melted cheese that my kids absolutely love it. When we travel, we always like to buy melted cheese. It's really nice. The cutest pita you will ever find. Oh, it's milk. Cup of water. It's making noise. Oh, this is like a baklava or something. Adam, you might like it. Okay. Cheese and tomatoes. You see Adam's meals look a little bit different. He has some tomato there. What did we get? Oh, it's pita. Mita. Mita. It's actually not yogurt, it's not milk. It's like, I don't know if you're familiar, it's called like kefir. It's or labane. It's very, very sour and very, very salty because when you take a shlook, it's super, super salty and sour. I want to show you Adam's face when he's going to take a shlook of it. Okay. He's not very excited about my idea. Like you can tell, he's not a big fan. Welcome to Bangkok. We just landed. We are very excited and we are ready to get out. I'm so hot. Ready to start the day. See you soon. Good morning. So we are on the way to try to get our visa. We don't know the process. We hope we will be fine because we're planning to stay for like 87 days. We know they get now 45 days and they probably will ask us questions, so hopefully we will be fine because we don't have a really amazing plan for how we are going to do it. So it says like around 16 minutes. No cameras. Okay, I have to put my camera back in. Hello, welcome to Bangkok. So we are in the taxi and we are on the way to our Airbnb. We are very excited.
Mommy, show to me.
Okay, Leo wants me to show him. He's here.
Wait.
สวัสดีครับ
Sawadee
สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Bangkok.
This is our driver. What's your name?
Sita, you can call me Sita.
Sita. So this is Sita. He's our driver for today, and he's very, very nice. So we are standing here in front of our Airbnb door, and we don't have a key, and the lady is supposed to arrive.
Here to make sure the message in the world.
And like Thailand, it's always slowly. So we don't know. After a very long journey, we are still cannot get into our place.
So
I squeezed inside the elevator. I can show you. I already squeezed here with Leo.
Okay, so we're going to see our apartment, and we are so excited. Whoa, look at this, guys, so pretty. This is our kitchen, and we have a beautiful living room. We have a purple room.
okay.
So I'm trying to order food. I have no idea. All these neighborhood menus in Thai. She's so busy that she doesn't really want to talk to me. Okay, so she didn't want to help me. She said to everything I asked her. I found a really cute place. They're making a seafood pad thai. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Okay, I'm going to try my food for the first time. Let's see. Spicy. Oh my goodness. It's lots of. So good. Oh my goodness. My lips are burning. My face is burning. Everything is in pain. I didn't have spicy food for so long time. And I'm dying here. Literally pure spiciness. I'm so look at me. Everything is burning, making me to cry. My first experience. You can see how spicy it is. This is just insane. It's pure spiciness. Okay, so I grabbed some drinks and some Cheetos. The reason I went actually to 7-Eleven because I needed to break 1,000 baht. Look how dark it is. It's like 5 o'clock and it's already super dark. And I think today we are going just to stay home because we are so exhausted from this long journey, 50 hours of traveling. So here I am, got for myself the spiciest food I could, burned my lips to death, and now I'm walking back. This day will be wrapped pretty shortly. Look, we have a river here behind us, so beautiful. This is our Airbnb. It's so dark, these kids are going to swim here. They don't care about anything happening in Bangkok. They just need a pool. This is all they care about.
One thing happened while you were gone. I lost Mila,
Oh, you lost Mila.
but I can do a magic trick.
Okay, let's see.
Hocus pocus, bim bada boom. Imalebe abalebe, boom boom.
So we are sitting outside and waiting for our first watermelon shake. She said it's like 5 minutes, so very excited. It was 30 baht. It's like under $1 per shake.